This is how you install the TRI-SWIFT AIO with Intel variant water block on the LGA1700 socket. First, flip to the back of the motherboard. To begin installing the Intel water block, you will need the included metal backplate and rubber gasket. Place the rubber gasket on the back of the motherboard, lining up the mounting holes. Next, you will need to place the metal backplate above the rubber gasket. Make sure to line up the backplate with the 4 socket cap holes located here. Now, while still holding the rubber gasket and metal backplate assembly, thread one mounting post through the motherboard mounting hole into the backplate. If it is difficult to thread, flip the backplate. Now, flip the motherboard around and thread the remaining mounting posts. Use finger strength only. Using the included syringe, apply thermal paste on top of the CPU. We recommend spreading to cover the full IHS. Insert the second rubber gasket on top of the mounting posts. Now you are ready to mount the TRI-SWIFT water block. Attach the block to the top of the CPU, aligning the 4 mounting posts through the mounting bracket. Hold the block in place with one hand as you tighten the thumb screws with the other hand, putting the thumb screws in a cross pattern. You can use a flathead screwdriver to finish threading the thumb screws. Last but not least, attach the 4-pin fan and pump cable to the CPU header on the motherboard. If you have any questions, send us an email, info@fluixpro.com.